Hello, I saw your question about verifying an identity. These can be challenging. They take a lot of practice and time. So you want to start with one side, end up with the other. Doesn't matter which side you start with, usually the messier side. If I start with cosecant theta minus sine theta. First thing, use a reciprocal identity. Cosecant theta is 1 over sine theta. Of course, I can put anything over 1. Here we want to get a common denominator, so I multiply this one by sine theta over sine theta. So, still have 1 over sine theta minus sine squared. Oh, it should be a theta there, all over sine theta. Now I have a common denominator. I can write that as 1 minus sine squared theta, all over sine theta. If I use a Pythagorean identity here, that's cosine squared theta over sine squared theta. And cosine squared, you can break that in cosine times cosine, or I can have it as cosine theta over 1 times cosine theta over sine. Well, that's just cosine theta, and that's cotangent theta, which is, I guess, this reverse order. Multiplication is commutative. Hope that helps.